Welcome to the Inner Health Way, your trusted source for natural tips to stay strong, energized, and independent as you age. If you're over 60 and want to protect your muscles, stay active, and enjoy life on your own 2 feet, you're in the right place. Have you noticed your legs feeling weaker lately? Climbing stairs makes you pause, or getting up from a chair feels harder than it used to? This isn't just getting older. You could be facing sarcopenia, the silent muscle loss that affects 1 in 3 people over 60. But here's the good news: nature has your back. Today, we're revealing 7 powerful fruits that don't just taste great, they help restore strength, improve balance, and protect your independence. What is sarcopenia? Sarcopenia is the gradual loss of muscle mass and strength that sneaks up as we age, often without any pain or warning signs. By age 70, many seniors have lost up to 30% of their muscle mass, making everyday tasks like walking, lifting, or standing feel more difficult. The causes: low protein intake, inflammation, poor circulation, and especially a lack of nutrients that rebuild and protect muscle fibers. That's where fruit comes in. Certain fruits are loaded with muscle supporting nutrients like antioxidants, potassium, vitamin C, and natural anti-inflammatories. Let's explore the 7 best fruits to fight muscle loss. Naturally. 7 fruits that fight muscle loss. 1. Prunes. Prunes are rich in potassium, which supports muscle contraction and prevents cramps. They're also high in vitamin K and phenolic antioxidants that reduce inflammation and strengthen bones. Just 3 to 4 prunes a day can improve strength and balance over time. Number 2. Red grapes. Red grapes contain resveratrol, a natural antioxidant that improves blood flow and protects muscle cells from aging damage. Their flavonoids reduce inflammation and support recovery. A cup a day may reduce muscle loss by up to 20%. Number 3. Padron peppers. These mild peppers are high in vitamin C for collagen production and contain capsaicin, which boosts blood flow and reduces muscle soreness. Sauté a few in olive oil for a healthy, muscle-friendly snack. Number 4. Arbutus berries, madrona berries. These wild berries contain twice as much vitamin C as oranges and powerful flavonoids that reduce inflammation and improve blood circulation. They help repair tissue and protect muscle flexibility. Number 5. Golden kiwi. Golden kiwi contains actinidin, a unique enzyme that helps your body absorb protein better, essential for muscle repair. Just 1 kiwi in the morning boosts vitamin C and digestion. Number 6. Loquats. Loquats contain ursolic acid, which may reverse muscle loss. They're also rich in potassium, carotenoids, and soluble fiber to support energy, muscle function, and digestion. Number 7. Wild blackberries. These tiny berries are loaded with anthocyanins, vitamin C, and manganese, all vital for reducing inflammation and rebuilding damaged muscles. Just 100 gram per day can reduce muscle breakdown by up to 25%. Conclusion: sarcopenia doesn't happen overnight, and you don't have to fight it with pills or protein shakes. With these 7 fruits, you're giving your body natural tools to stay strong and energized. Start small, add a handful of berries to breakfast, enjoy a kiwi with lunch, or snack on prunes in the afternoon. These little habits lead to big results: more strength, better balance, and the freedom to enjoy life your way. If you found this video helpful, please like it, share it with someone who needs it, and subscribe to the Inner Health Way. We're here every week with new natural health tips to help you move better, feel stronger, and live longer, naturally. Stay strong, stay independent, and keep moving forward.